This is the main entrance basically from which you enter. On the left side, you will get the first one, which is the administrative building and then incubation center. This is the administrative block and the incubation center. In this, you will get the different offices, and most of you will be going to the academic section. So this is the academic section. At present, we had shifted, so the furniture is under construction. Basically, it is in under procurement. Near the academic section, you will be getting this student section. So your bona fide certificate, activities related to students, character certificate, you will be getting here. All these you can. Then we had gone to the upper side. Basically, this is the playground, big playground where you can play the football. Near this, we have all the facilities like basketball court is there, the tennis court is there. Most of you will be having the mess and dining facilities in this block, which is here. So this is a common mess and dining hall for all the students. At present, we are having the 3 hostels: hostel hall 1, hall 3, and hall 4. So all students come here and then they enjoy the food here. This is the hall of residence 1. This is the oldest hostel basically. Hall of residence 3. The hostels are allotted based on the sharing basis basically. More details you will be getting from the dean students. This is hall of residence 4. This is the whole complex basically where all the halls are there. This is students activity center. We have a badminton court inside this. This is the lecture hall and tutorial complex where all your lectures will be running. And in front of this, there is a open air theater. This is the library and computer center basically. Facilities towards the library and computer. Okay. This is just a glimpse of the institute basically, a virtual tour to the center. Okay.
कमरा तो नहीं दिखाया हॉस्टल पर रूम दिखाना चाहिए अच्छे से ऐसे